Welcome to the American Heritage Education Center online ticketing and tour booking platform. Let's take a quick tour of everything it can do, for visitors and for staff. Visitors start on the public website, where they can browse every available experience, guided tour, group visits, school field trips, and special evening events. Each tour has its own page with a full description, accessibility and parking information, pricing, and the list of upcoming dates and times. Booking takes just 3 guided steps. First, the visitor chooses an available date and time. Next, they enter their details, answer any custom questions, and can add a donation. Then payment is processed securely through Stripe. Booking is confirmed instantly, with a receipt and a scannable QR code ticket. A branded confirmation email is delivered automatically, containing the receipt and the very same QR code ticket. Supporters can also give directly through a dedicated donation page. Staff and administrators sign into a secure, role-based dashboard. Dashboard gives an at-a-glance summary of total bookings, confirmed guests, revenue and donations, alongside every upcoming tour and its capacity. Administrators create and manage tour and their scheduled sessions. They can review and manage every booking from a single screen. A calendar view shows the entire upcoming schedule at a glance. On arrival, staff scan the visitor QR code to instantly validate the ticket and admit their party, with built-in protection against reuse. Built-in reports cover attendance, revenue and donations, and export to CSV for boards and grant applications. Finally, constituent data can sync automatically to popular CRM and email marketing tools, including Salesforce, MailChimp and Constant Contact. From the first click, to check-in, to reporting, this platform manages the entire tour experience. Thank you for watching.